Now this is the next exercise for us to draw. Let's understand the dimensions. We have the base of 80 by 100, thickness is 20, and then on this we have this plate with these two holes and a hole here and these two holes here. Let me first make the base with 80 by 100. Okay, so open AutoCAD. I'll start from the beginning. I'll close this file. We say file new, use the ISO 3D template. Now already, because I was using the 3D modeling tab, so already I am here in the proper 3D modeling workspace. You don't have to change it, but you can go to a specific view. I like to work in this view. You can work anywhere, doesn't matter. Now the base is 100 by 80. You can draw it by polyline command or you can draw by rectangle. Okay, so this is 80. My key was not on, so let me switch on the ortho, but number key I mean. This is 80 by 100. Okay, so this is 80. Switch on the ortho. This is 80. Now like this, go by 100. Then like this by 80, then C for close, got this one. Now you can, this is same like 3D, a press pull. You can click inside the object and you can go up by 20, which is given size. Now but your original object is there down. Okay, if I say isolate, hide object, this is hidden and their original object is here, I can delete it, and now I can say isolate end object isolation. You get your 3D line. You isolate it first from the line, delete the line, the baseline, and then get back your object. Fine. Now here it is some fillet. Radius of this is 16. Okay, radius 16, I guess radius 8. Okay, this is radius 8. It is not 16. Okay, yeah, radius for the outside one, this distance is 80 minus, let's understand this. I want to get for this fillet this distance. Okay, so this is 80 minus this one, first 15 minus this 26 minus 24, this is remaining. So this radius here is 15. So what I can do is, there is a command fillet edge, and then I can select this edge here and then specify the radius. Radius is 15. Enter, select, finalize your radius. Okay, it's so easy. You can change the isometric position now, southeast to say maybe southwest, isometric. Okay, northeast maybe. Okay, to see this corner, this is fillet edge. You can go here, see this is fillet edge. Select the edge here, then it is asking the options. These are the options. We are using the radius option. Then specify the radius 15, already is 15. Select, enter. So you get this. Now you go back to your original position. Now this 80 by 100, after that I want to draw this rectangle up to here, which is 40 plus 20, 60, and this is 15 on the base of 80. So 15 by 100 rectangle here on this base. So going to here, I want to draw. You can draw it by the rectangle command or you can draw it by the polyline command, doesn't matter, or just by line command also, and then join it. Okay, now we'll continue. We have completed the base here. for this drawing. Now we'll see how to get this rectangle. I will get up to 40 plus 20 60 rectangle I will get first, and then we will see further. Okay, here to draw that I will draw this. See, look at the size of this is 15 by 100. Okay, so I will use the rectangle command. First corner of the rectangle, first corner of the rectangle is here. See, now I can directly give the dimensions of the rectangle here, and see, for this dynamic input must be on. So you can go here and see that the dynamic input is on, and when you have this one it should be on. Okay, so fine. So this is the first size. First size is here, we want 15, this number. Then enter the tab, it will jump to the next value which we want 100. So once you have this rectangle up here, this rectangle, we can use pull, and this is up to 60. 40 plus 20 60, right? 60 you can see here, not here. 40 plus 20 60. Now here I want to draw the circle of radius 20 and then cut it. Okay, so at these 2 points I will draw the circle of radius 20, but now this is my YZ plane. I want to draw the circle here on this face, on this face. So this face is in the YZ plane. So Y is okay, but I can draw only XY plane. Z is not correct. So I should rotate about Y. What is in the correct position? Rotate about that axis. Okay, so I'll go here and rotate about Y. Y is correct, so rotate about Y, so that Y will stay at its correct position. Y, rotate by 90 degree. So now you got the XY plane correct. Draw the circle, center, radius. This is the center point. Let me see what is the snap setting. End point is okay. End point, radius is 20. Another circle, same here, or you can use center, radius. This center, radius 20. Now you can extrude this and this. Both together you can do more. Okay, no problem. Now I want to use the subtract command. Okay, subtract, select the base object, from that enter, then select this and also this at the same time, and then enter. Both will be subtracted at the same time. Fine. Now next is I will draw this rectangle up to here, which is from this to this 70. Okay, 70 by 15. Fine. Yeah, same rectangle basically. Or you can just push this, maybe press pull this one by 70. Now here we will get the midpoint now, and I will draw the circle here. Okay, center, radius. This is the center, is the center point. Radius is just jump to the end point. Then extrude, or maybe press pull this whole thing. Okay, by 15. Now you can union these two objects. This one is already there. Okay, fine. Now there is a hole here and here at the distance of 70 and the radius 12. Not here. Let me close this file. Fine. Okay, I can select this one, the whole thing. You can see it as a shaded object. I will select this whole. This is one object and this is another object, right? So I'll make union of this and this together. So now this is one object, and I want to hide it, isolate, hide objects. This is hide, and then select this and delete it. Now again right click, isolate, and object isolation, you get it. So those lines, sometimes our object will jump to the end of the line or something like that. So avoid to that kind of error. Any construction lines which you have created, you can delete it. Well, now you want to draw a circle of radius 12 here. Okay, here with the same center. So center point is selected, center is selected, quadrant I will cancel. So draw center radius. This is a center, radius is 12. Now I'll draw the line from the center of this going down by 70, and then another circle here at the other end, radius 12. Now I'll delete this and I'll draw the line, tangent line. Okay, I'll draw the tangent line. You can just cancel this center and enable the tangent and draw the line which is tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. Enter. Line tangent to this circle, okay, and tangent to this circle. Okay, that's not correct. Maybe front view, right side view, line tangent here, fine. Get back to the isometric view. You have this one. You can press pull this all together, or you can trim the circle and then do the press pulls. Trim all, enter. You can press pull the 3 objects also. So this I can trim to make it more clean. Look, now press pull this, not the object, press pull this whole area here. I can select this and by 15. Now you have this, but you have to subtract it. So subtract from the main object, this object, enter this, the whole object actually, I don't know. Okay, this object. Now let us see, the whole is created. What I was selecting first was this construction lines, or the lines. Okay, so I can select, do the same thing now, isolate, hide the object, and then this is what was being selected. I will delete it, then end isolation. Okay, fine. Now to the base, we need these 2 holes here in the base. Size is I think the size is 8, R8, okay, not R16, R8. I have created it somewhere here. This is R8, okay, R8. What is given in the question is not. So R8, and where is it? The center is from this corner 15, and then you can go 24. Okay, so from this center basically home, this is easy for the computer. XY, now I want to draw in this plane, so I should rotate this. X is okay, so rotate about X, so like this. Okay, now it is in the XY plane, so I can draw the line starting from the center. Let me start the, cancel the tangent and enable the center point. Okay, so I'll start from the center of this arc here, 1 line and 24 length, right? 24 length. I'll draw this 24 length. Oh, not correct. Okay, fine. Line from here, 24. I hope the other 24. Then we need to draw the circle R6, R8. Okay, R8, because R16 will almost touch the side edge, center. R8. Okay, this is R8. R8 also same here, R8. You can draw tangent line, or you can use quadrant also in this case, quadrant to quadrant, because they are of the same size, and the line quadrant to quadrant of the circle. You can delete the center line, you can press pull this object, or fine, press pull all this is okay. More, press pull the circle also, more, press pull this one also, more, and let's see. Whether the hole is done or not done. Hole is done because of the press pull, but your construction lines are there, so we'll take care of it later on. Another way of doing it is, okay, we can go what we do in the 2D drawing like that. Okay, I will show you another method. Now here in this case, what you can also make a mirror of this one, but we want to learn this way. Center, so start the line from the center, and the length of the line is 24. Okay, then draw the circles. Center radius, this circle, same radius 8, repeat circle at this end also. Draw the lines from the quadrant now. Quadrant, and a line from quadrant to quadrant. You can do like this. Now I will trim the circle, delete this line, but now these are different pieces, right? So I will use join command. Join command, select the object, this 1 2 3 4, enter. So 4 objects converted to one polyline. This is polyline. Now I will extrude this one here to down. We can get more distance, doesn't matter. Now I will subtract from this base object, enter this one. So this way also you can create holes. But now you have to just, these are just circles, you can directly also delete. Okay, these are just the construction lines here which we have created, that can be deleted. So now you can see you are almost finished. Everything is done for this shape. You don't have to show the dimensions.